Hi guys, in this session I am going to explain you escape characters in string. So when we are going to use escape characters, I will tell you by step. Just follow me. For every single quote, there is another single quote comes as a pair. Within the pair of single quotes, I am trying to type. Here, this is giving a error message. Why it is giving a error message? Within the single quotes, there is one more other quote inside it. So for to avoid these errors, we will use backslash. Okay, errors disappeared. Right symbol we are getting here. Try to print it. Yeah, we get a does not. Even single quote also we got in output. Okay, if we do something, if we want to change double quote, we does not need escape character at this moment. Even it will run. Yes, it is running. It is giving a output. Why? Because here within the double quotes, I used a single quote. That's why we are not needed escape character here. Here it also it will run. What we are doing within the single quotes, I used a double quotes. We got a double quotes around a S. We got as a output. If we try to use double quotes within the double quote, give a error message. At this moment, what we have to do is just try to use a escape character. Yes, we got a output. Okay, we are getting a output. The same way, within the single quotes, if you want a double quotes, no problem. Within the single quote, if you want a single quote, it gives a error message. So that we will use escape character. The same thing will work with the double quotes also. Within double quotes, we can accept single quote. Whenever we want a escape character, we have to type it. Here also we are getting a error message. Within the single quote, we are using a single quote. Even there is a double quotes around it. This is a one more practical issue we are facing. So you use escape character, try to get output. It is working. I- Here, this is a new line. This is a tab. So how it will work, I will show you. Here I got a high. After a new line, it will comes to the new line. After how, there is a tab, then RU is printed. So how we can use new line and tab? We are using a backslash. Backslash n is a new line. Backslash t is a new tab. So we will try to use it more practically. What we are expecting, some name with the total path we are expecting as a output. Here it is showing new line. Whether it will give you a new line, whether it will give you a new line or a name as a printed. So we will check out. Okay, we got a output as see some name. Instead of name, it is taken it as a new line and uh, AME is printed. So what actually we are expected something else, but here new line is not performing as we expected. So what we have to do, if we keep R in front of this, it will resolve it. Okay, we got a output. We will follow some other steps. Here also we will get the same problem. So it is giving a tab, but not the some try. So how to resolve it? Use R in front of this string. It is resolved. It is more of the practical, so it will take some time. Follow the steps. You feel bored when if you are not uh, understood. Please follow. I'm using a triple quotes. More of the practical help you better programmer. Okay, this gives the output. Okay, from usage, things are it is showing. If we keep this black backslash escape character everywhere, what happens? Check out. Comes in the same line. If you does not use this escape character backslash, it comes in a different line. So this is the output we got as expected. Please follow. See you in the next session.